Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, check this out as I spin around here. It's kind of like sunset. The sun is sort of going down. So yeah, you can see behind me. Now I'm probably just a silhouette. So my plan is to basically take the XDynamics Evolve out and as the light goes down, just film with it. Because one of the things I do, if you do photography with a drone, you like to see how well it handles low light situations because you can't always fly in bright sunlight. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to fly it. I'm only going to use the 4K 30 and I'll leave the settings on auto just to see how it handles. I might play with the exposure. I have some Canada geese buzzing me up there. I might play with the exposure, but we'll see. According to my display, it says the sun will set at 1950, which means it's 7:50 p.m. And it's not 7:50 right now. The time right now is 7:30 p.m. So people have asked me what my C1 and C2 buttons are configured for. So if I go over here and I click the C1 is going to tell me exactly what prompts I've received. So right there, you see it? It says home point. That was the last little, they call them warnings, but I call them prompts. That was the last little prompt given to me. So there's that one. And my C2 button over here will expand this map. If I want to see the maps bigger, I just hit that. And there we go, I see more maps. And then click it again, click it off. You can set your C1, C2 for whatever you want. All right, let's take it up. We'll just take the little left joystick down and over to the right. Start up motors, come on. And power it up. So there I am, look at, I'm like orangey colored because of all the sunlight. The sun is coming, it's just blaring at me right over there. You can see it through the GoPro. It's just right over there and the drone's here. I'm blinded now, I've got spots. All right, so let's take this up and see what it looks like at this hour of the day. I'm gonna fly forward towards the woods. Can you see my screen? I know the sun's behind. Hang on, let me turn it this way. There we go. See my screen? The image quality is really good. And look at the school. The school is glowing. That's that golden hour. Here, I have the drone coming at me and oh, there it goes. Whoa, that's a lot of wind when it goes over. Now, if you look at my map right here, can you see that? I'm just going to widen it. See when I flew, see the blue line? I'm right here in the green circle, and the blue line is where I flew so far. And of course, you can zoom in to see where you've gone and all that other good stuff. I don't know if you can see this, but the moon is right behind the Evolve. All right, right here is our sunset time, which is 7:50. And if we take a look at the time right now, we'll see that it's almost 8 o'clock. So sunset has occurred, and if I move my little GoPro around, that's sunset over there. There we go. Here it's 8 o'clock at night. The sun is set. All you see over there is a little bit of light coming from the horizon where the sun has gone down below the horizon. And yeah, that's what the image looks like. Let's fly this way away from the sun. See a sports field out there. It looks like it's lit up. Well, watch this. I can go and look up and try to look at the props, but you can't get the props in the frame in this drone because the arms are bent upwards. Look at this, I'm going way up. That's as high as I can put the camera up. If the camera's actually looking a little bit above the horizon. And if I fly forward, I'm gonna go full blast forward. On my screen, I don't see the props anywhere, but yeah, so this drone is pretty cool for that. If you're always worried about getting props in the frame, this is the drone to have because you won't get props in the frame. You can see it's dark here, the street lights are on, cars have their headlights on. Here I've got the drone really low to the ground. I don't know if you can see that, and I have the camera pointing up at me. So I can take it really low. The moon is behind me. You see that white dot? That's the moon. Pretty cool. It's filming the moon, no problem. And there goes Canada geese through the white dot and over my head. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video with the XDynamics Evolve in the low light situation. I think it did quite well. I haven't looked at the video, but on the screen it looked pretty good. The drone is talking to the controller back and forth. They're too close together, so they're going, "Are you still there? Yeah, I'm still here. Are you still here? Are you still here?" Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I'll put links below if you want to find out more information about this here drone. Looks like it's getting pretty popular, so stay tuned for more videos. Alright, take care.